And we're going to use this piece of 4140. Actually, it might be EN26. Either way, it's very strong and hard. There we go. Taking 3.3 off of the diameter. Okay, now let's turn this bit off here. Let's chamfer this edge. All right, now we can get the carbide boring bar. All right, I'll just clean that up with sandpaper, then I'll measure it. Okay, that's 0.94. That's good enough. That's going to be a nice tight interference fit. We have one of our little sleeves here. Bearing can sit on top. That looks really good. We can press this in like so. And there we have one bearing inserted into the sleeve.